So let's start with the first tool for root cause analysis, which is 5 whys. What we do in this tool is whenever we have a problem, whenever we have an issue, we ask why 5 times. Let's say if you have oil spillage on the floor, you ask 5 times, why has this happened? Why has this happened? And that will lead you to the root cause. To understand this, let's move on to the next slide and look at one example of that. So here I have an example of oil spill on the floor. So you went to the production floor and you saw the oil spill on the floor. Now you want to do the root cause analysis for that. So your first question would be, why there is oil on the floor? You might get an answer that there was the leakage from the pump. Alright, but then why there was a leakage from the pump? The answer could be there was a gasket damage. But then why the gasket was damaged? Because we bought a substandard gasket. But then why did we buy the substandard gasket? Because we had a policy of ordering to the lowest bidder. Now you see that the root cause of oil spill on the floor is the policy of ordering to the lowest bidder. So once you solve that problem, once you make sure that whenever you place an order to a qualified supplier who gives you the right product, then your problem will be gone forever. Not only this, you will resolve number of other problems as well. So this is the power of 5 whys. Number of times people will have a question that why 5 times you have to ask why. There is no hard and fast rule. 5 was a number given with the understanding that once you ask a repeated number of times, you get a good answer that why there was a problem. You keep on asking why till you reach a point which is within your control. Maybe if you ask more whys, you will be at a place which is much beyond your control. So just limit to whatever you can do. Keep on asking why till you reach that point which is within your control. So this was 5 whys as a tool for the root cause analysis.